Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stylized fire effect in the style of Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. This effect looks impressive and it's easy to master. Let's get started.
Step 1. Prepare some assets and tools. Before we begin, we need to prepare a fire texture and the Unity 3D engine. You can find similar flame texture resources online. Alternatively, you can create a red, yellow, orange gradient flame shape in Photoshop for a closer fit with Zelda's stylization. Step 2. Create a new project in Scene. Open Unity 3D and create a new project. In the scene, add flame particles and materials, and place an image or model of a torch. Next, adjust the flame material. Assign the flame texture to the new material. Use some VFX shader functions to control the flame effect. Control the flame color by adjusting the color of the material panel. Use the distortion function of the shader to get dynamic distortions. Add a mask to constrain the range of distortion, until you reach a cartoon stylized flame effect that's similar to the Legend of Zelda. You can also enrich the effect by adding various flame particles or smoke. Now, we have created a perfect stylized flame effect. The last step is to add animation to the flame effect. Create a new animator controller and set the previously created flame object as its target. Use the Unity 3D animation system. Try adding frames on the timeline, and add an up and down floating animation to the entire torch to make the effect more vivid. Congratulations! We have successfully added a flame effect. You can use this method to create other rich effects in your game, such as bonfires, ground ignition effects, soul flames, etc. In future videos, we may continue to optimize the effect and create flame arrows, even explosion effects.
That's how you create a cool and fun stylized fire effect. I hope this video has brought you some ideas. If you have any other questions or suggestions about this, please share them with me.